Literally, this house is my house of dreams. So I'm going to start off here. And this gorgeous swimming pool. Try not to fall in it. And you've got a little terrace here. The view from the swimming pool and the terrace is just absolutely gorgeous. So you've got a couple of little seating areas. The land goes down on the line, as you can see, and there's parking for 6 cars, I would say, 5-6 cars. It's so quiet here. You can see Algodonales there in the distance, and you can just see there in the distance the lake glistening. So this property is 2.5 bedrooms, I'd say. You've got 2 bedrooms, 2 full bedrooms, and then they've got a room that they're using as a storage room because it's currently rented out. So I'm just going to go slowly around here. And into the house. You've got a fireplace there. You've got your kitchen. You've got a sitting room, little seating area there, which is really nice, with the view out the window. And then that's really nice. You could have a little table and chairs there. And then you've got the fitted kitchen. You've got everything you need there. And again, you've got the views from the window. You've got a door through there to a garage. It's a really handy garage space. And then going through, so this is the storage room, which was a bedroom. So it is actually a 3-bedroomed house. But they just use it as the storage room, bathroom, really well finished. And then this lovely bedroom, this gorgeous bed. Hanging area there. And then upstairs, so you've got the staircase here. Turn around and look at that. And then you go up the stairs to the 3rd bedroom, which is mezzanine room. And you've got the view from that window there. This is open and overlooks down onto the kitchen. Again, that door goes through. You've got air conditioning up there. This is just stunning. Really peaceful and quiet. Got the drive here. And even from here, you've got the view. Got really big, useful garage space there. So you've got all your stuff, and that's the doorway again into the kitchen. And then we've got here a little studio apartment. So that's separate to the house. Got TV, again, you've got your air conditioning unit. Fully fitted bathroom, beautiful, beautifully tiled, and then a little kitchenette area, and then a little seating area, and you've got the bed. You could actually probably get a sofa in here as well, and then from the bed you've got those gorgeous views. So again, just going on the land, you've got enough space for, I would say, 4 to 6 cars. And then the views. and looking back at the house.